Middleton is a community known for its blend of charm and individuality. From traditional farm-style houses to modern suburban builds, no two homes are quite alike. That variety is part of what makes the area special, but it also means that homeowners need to think carefully when it comes to choosing windows. Custom window installation offers the perfect solution, allowing residents to enjoy windows that complement Middleton's unique architectural styles while improving comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. Why custom windows make a difference? Unlike standard, one-size-fits-all options, custom windows are designed specifically to match your home's dimensions, look, and performance needs. This ensures a seamless fit, eliminating gaps that could cause drafts or leaks. Enhanced design. Windows that reflect your home's character and style. Better efficiency. Custom windows often incorporate energy-efficient features tailored to Middleton's seasonal weather. Custom windows provide more than just functionality, they help your home stand out while staying true to its original design. Traditional and colonial-style homes. Many Middleton residences showcase timeless, classic designs. Double-hung windows. These are a natural fit, offering symmetry and a historic look while allowing flexible ventilation. Grills and divided lights. Adding decorative muntins recreates the vintage charm of traditional architecture. Wood look finishes. Vinyl or fiberglass frames with wood grain textures deliver the warmth of wood without the high maintenance. These options keep older homes looking authentic while upgrading their efficiency for modern living. Farmhouse and rustic designs. Farmhouse-style homes are growing in popularity across Middleton, emphasizing simplicity and natural appeal. Casement windows. With their side hinges and outward swing, casement windows bring in plenty of light and air, perfect for bright, open farm-style kitchens. Picture windows. Large, fixed panes frame outdoor views like artwork, showcasing Middleton's scenic surroundings. Natural wood frames. Stained or painted wood enhances rustic charm and ties in with farmhouse aesthetics. These windows highlight the cozy, down-to-earth character that makes farm-style homes so appealing. Modern and contemporary homes. Middleton also features newer homes with clean lines and updated designs. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Maximize natural light and create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Minimalist frames. Slim, sleek profiles highlight glass over structure, aligning with modern aesthetics. Energy-efficient glass. Low-E coatings and multiple panes improve comfort while reducing cooling and heating costs. Custom designs allow modern homes to stay efficient without sacrificing style. Craftsman and bungalow styles. Craftsman homes, with their attention to handcrafted details, are another staple in Middleton. Gridded casement windows perfectly match the strong lines and natural materials common in craftsman architecture. Bay or bow windows add depth and character while creating cozy seating nooks. Earth tone finishes complement the natural wood and stone materials often used in this style. Custom installation ensures every craftsman home maintains its unique, handcrafted appeal. The value of professional installation. No matter the style, professional installation ensures your windows not only look great but also perform well. Precision measurement guarantees a snug fit that prevents drafts and water leaks. Climate-ready installation. Installers use materials designed to handle Middleton's mix of hot summers and cold winters. Enhanced durability. Proper installation extends the life of your investment. Professionals can also guide you in selecting frame materials, glass options, and finishes that best suit your home's architecture and lifestyle. Final thoughts. Middleton's variety of home designs is part of what makes the community so special, and custom window installation is the key to preserving that uniqueness. Whether you live in a colonial, farmhouse, craftsman, or modern home, custom windows can be tailored to highlight your architecture, improve efficiency, and add long-term value. By partnering with trusted professionals, you'll enjoy windows that not only perform beautifully but also reflect the unique character of your home and neighborhood. With the right choices, your Middleton residence will stand out while staying true to its architectural roots.